Welcome to TechLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix game not using your graphics card on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, just go to your search and search for settings. Then from the best matches, just open up settings. Maximize this. Then just go to system. From system, on the left hand menu, make sure in display. Then just scroll all the way down. And under multiple display, you'll see advanced settings. And just under that, you'll see graphics settings. Just open this up. From here, you'll see hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Just turn this on. Also, make sure under this graphics performance preference to select browse. From here, just select the app or the game which you want your GPU to use. For example, Hollow Knight Silksong. I want to select this. And from here, make sure to click on option. And make sure you select your high performance GPU here. And click on save changes. Make sure to browse and add all the games that you play. And after that, just do the same thing. Just click on option and click on high performance and save it. Then just close all this and go ahead and restart your PC. And your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to fix game not using your graphics card on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.